are now ready to make some noise. Fire! So, what we just witnessed is called, and that wasn't exactly a misfire, but that's something that historically would have plagued